Good evening, everybody. I'm now at Colombo train station in Colombo City, Sri Lanka. And look at this, where am I? As you can see, the train station is on the edge of the Indian Ocean. And the train is actually coming. And if it stops, I'll try to get in and take some videos there. Let's see. I will jump in really quick. Okay. Is there a door for me? Imagine if it goes and I stay here on the train. Okay, look at this. So yeah, this is it. On the train. Let me go back. And you can see, like when you on this train, you will see the ocean from the door, train's windows. This is something amazing and good experience, I guess. So that was it for train station. I'll now go back and see how the nightlife looks in Colombo. Oh, they are selling the tickets. Let me check if they have tickets from here to Ella. So there's only one way to go to Ella from Colombo to Ella, and it takes more than 7 hours, almost 8, as I also checked online. So I don't want to spend that much time, and taxi costs too much, I guess. They would probably ask me like 300 USD for 2 ways, so I'm not even considering right now. It's now close to 7 p.m. and it's a rush time. As you can see, the road is full of cars here. No, thank you. Those guys are coming from every corner all the time asking if I want to take a tuk-tuk or if they have a car, taxi. Sometimes they are like begging you to use their service, so not good. We came across the church. Let me check. Look at this. This church also have nice garden. Good evening.
Long time, what are you doing here?
Unfortunately, I was told that videos or photos are not allowed to take, so I just left the church. Let's continue our journey here. What I will do now is to find something to eat. But I'm not going to trust all the places. Even if it costs more, I think it is better to go on a fancy place. Well, certainly they have good snacks. Hello. potato chips, dates. Thank you. Somehow I don't want to try them. The other side looks really dark. I don't want to go to that place. I better move in central area because you never know what will happen. There's a king coconut. Let me try. Hello. How much for the king coconut? 250. Okay. I'm from Georgia. Georgia. Yeah. You know? Small country. It's like the same size as Sri Lanka. It's good. Yes. Is it?
How many days stayed in Sri Lanka?
It's been 4 days.
4 days.
4 days, yeah.
You go to the country?
I went to Unavatuna. Unavatuna, yeah. Yeah.
You go to the other side, no really, Candy.
Candy, yeah.
Still very cool.
Yeah. I was searching like transportation, but I don't know. There is only train goes there or bus? Train, right? Yeah, taxi costs too much. I went to Unavatuna by taxi and it was super expensive.
So expensive.
Yeah.
Where is Galu Matara?
Galu
Now it's not going to train?
No.
Candy.
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 Yeah, is it close?
Now time is 8:30 out of the Candy and Colombo. Yeah.
So I will buy some coconut and also the banana. These green ones. Oh, they have a lot of customers. So I'm waiting here for more than 10 minutes. I want my coconut. Some people are asking me if I am a YouTuber. Let's reach up to 1,000. And then if some people ask me if I am a YouTuber, I will tell them that it's yes. So look at this, there's this cute tuk-tuk. This one. Does it look good? So let me check the tuk-tuk first. My coconut is getting ready. Thank you. How much is the total? 100, okay. So that coconut tastes really good. Let's continue walking. I'll be drinking some king coconut juice. I don't know why, but I don't feel safe walking here in the evening. When I see some people's expression, they're coming close and making some faces. So it is better to avoid taking videos on them. The evening is really chill and cool, I would say. but you see all these buildings in every city. And there are really small amount or no trees in the cities in most countries. Those companies are trying to put as much buildings as possible, concrete buildings, cut the trees, and look at them. They're really huge, the buildings, and you can't really see anything. They're blocking all the way. Oh, should I go some KFC? Should I try? Maybe it's a good idea. Let me check at least. Hi folks, I purchased chicken legs. I don't know how to call that. I'm going to cross the road. As you can see, four. Oh.
Yeah, full.
Thank you. You almost hit me, but it was my fault. I was looking at the camera, not on the road. There are no street lights everywhere, or even some is dark. You see, there's no light. So at night, it doesn't have a feeling that you could see something impressive. So maybe the daytime is the best here in Colombo to explore the city. You should start at maybe 6:30, at least 7, because after 9 there will be sunny day, really hot, humid. So the earlier the better. Now I'm going aimlessly. So I need to check, really need to check where should I go, maybe that way. Because I remember I came from that direction. This coconut tastes really good. And the train station was really amazing, the location and views, but I hope they will change. There will be some electric trains soon, and they will also change the rail system because it's old. Let me cross the road, and I hope I will not get hit. Okay. There are no traffic lights. Shit. And sometimes they don't give you the road. So even though Sri Lanka is a good place for visiting for tourists, I think they still have a lot of things to change and manage and improve. For example, there are no cameras. If something happens, you could not do anything. Everybody, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed, and we will see each other from another place. Probably it will be a good experience. So I will not spoil you, but I'm sure it will be something good. So let's explore together and see you in the next video. Bye bye.